Apple is secretly cooking up a terrifying new feature inside iOS 27, and it sounds straight out of a sci-fi thriller. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Inside the code of iOS 27, there's a restricted mode. Run by a sneaky background program called App Managed Features, this digital guard gives loan companies the power to hijack your iPhone and lock you out of your favorite apps if you can't manage to make the payment on time. Imagine waking up to discover your precious device has gone into total lockdown. TikTok blocked. Instagram frozen. Under this new, your phone shrinks down to a shell of its former self, leaving you with only basic tools, emergency services, and whatever few apps your financial overlords decided to grant you. The system even links directly with Apple's activation and Find My services, locking down the entire phone with a partner finance lock if you try to wipe it clean. Naturally, fans panicked, assuming Apple was planning to hold iPhones hostage for anyone missing a payment on its shiny new leasing program. But they've told The Verge that it's not the case, saying that missed payments will not activate the restricted mode system currently under development in iOS 27. However, Apple completely refused to explain who or what this lockdown feature is actually for. One possibility is that it was developed for financing programs offered by carriers, retailers, or other partners outside Apple. Upgrade potentially including markets where device restrictions are already used to enforce installment agreements. With all that in mind, the good news is that Apple Upgrade customers won't have to worry about restricted mode if they miss an installment. The more unsettling part is that the system exists, and sooner or later, we'll likely learn for what Apple's financing partners intend to use it. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.